Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Chrome updated and Utorrent web installed. Once done, open Chrome and install the Utorrent extension. Make sure to grant the extension permission to manage downloads and open magnet links so Chrome hands torrents to Utorrent automatically. Next, sign into your Utorrent account within the extension if prompted, and verify the default download folder inside Utorrent settings. This prepares the handoff so you can add torrents without interruptions. Now you'll add and control torrents through the extension. Click a magnet link or drag a torrent file onto the extension pop-up, then choose a save location and confirm. You can change priority, enable sequential download for streaming, and limit connections to reduce bandwidth. The extension badge shows active transfers at a glance. Click it to pause, resume, or remove items. By managing priorities and limits, you prevent Chrome or other apps from hogging your network, keeping downloads stable and predictable. Finish by confirming files fully downloaded and accessible in your chosen folder. Move or index them as needed. If magnet links fail to open in Utorrent, open Chrome protocol handlers and set Utorrent as the default for magnet and torrent links, then relaunch Chrome. When downloads stall, restart Utorrent web and use the recheck option to repair data. Also check router port forwarding and firewall rules to ensure peers can connect. One key tip: if speeds are low, check active peers and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.